How to turn on Instagram Notes feature. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to turn on Instagram Notes feature. First of all, open Instagram. Go into DM, check if there are your notes. If not, then click on profile icon. Tap on menu and go into settings and privacy. Click on business tools and controls. Then tap to switch account type. Switch to the personal account, tap on its button. Go back to settings. Click on account privacy. Turn on private account. Then click on switch to private. Go back to the settings, tap on account type and tools. Then click on switch to professional account. Slide right, then click to continue. Choose the category for your account, then click to get done. Tap on OK to switch into a professional account. Choose the creator option. Then tap on OK. Here, you can see your account is now professional. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.